Okay, so this is the Catalina Crunch Protein Cereal, Cinnamon Toast, my favorite. And I got this because it's no sugar added. It's not low calorie though, and probably has a few more carbs than the keto people out there would like, but it is relatively low carb and high protein and lots of fiber. So a healthier choice for cereal lovers, essentially. And this was created by a diabetic, so that's good to know. And the breakdown is over here. So yeah, as I expected, there are carbs in here and there are calories. And not nice to know, but this is a general reality, is that your serving size is going to be pretty small. So let's open it up and see how it tastes. Okay, so a serving size is only half a cup. Not very much, but yeah, it's a good size for a little brekkie, I guess. Then we'll add some soy. No, this is not soy. This is almond milk, sorry. Let's give it a taste. Okay, so it does have that nice cinnamon toast feel for sure. The texture, you can tell that it's like a protein-enhanced food, kind of like a protein bar, because it's not flaky and carby. It's more like a robust, densely packed thing. So they've added protein here for sure. And I'm hungry, so this is hitting the spot well. Okay, so in that half a cup serving, not including the almond milk, I got 110 calories. I got 11 grams of protein, which is 20%. It could be either calorie count or volume. My guess is it's volume. Cholesterol, nothing, which is great. And total carbohydrate is 14 grams, which, as I said before, it's not low carb in my opinion, but it's definitely low sugar. And certainly the better option. And the ingredients are right over here. Nothing nasty looking here. And to sweeten it, they've got some decent sweeteners. Monk fruit extract, that's Lakanto here where I live in Japan. And stevia, which has an aftertaste, but it's very low calorie. So I think per volume, it's a little bit pricey for me because I have to import this stuff. But I'm glad to know it's there. And when I get stricter with my eating, this is something I'm going to keep grabbing for, I think. Yeah, recommend.